Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to start our second lesson, which is our national pride. National pride means something which you have a feeling of love, devotion, and sense of attachment to the homeland and aligns with other citizens who share the same sentiments. It can be ethical, politics, cultural, historical aspects. So, Manzuki, national pride lana Suzuki, Powaki, Goshua Momanchi, Powaki do Suzuki, Lumbaladu, and Kiransuki, national anthem doji tando and Kiranki, and he lead do Shazin do, the feeling doji Manzula lead so national pride lana Candida Australia, Kiranki, feeling of love, Kiranki, Teva dosh lead so sense of attachment ledwa, Kiranki. Suzuki kesa ki saja de la tu kapsla Suzuki attachment dosh here kante na do kiran kha tharing bol tuna kiran lumba Europe la tuna de ro kiran America chon tuna de ro kiran saja kha chola kiran to we na ya ina kiran ki kesa saja shungira birthplace de la kiran ki khatu na Suzuki tsewa dosh li res ro so di tsewa di na zo kiran mi single la chipo me wache mi zo lumba kazu yuna do ani kiran ki Suzuki birthplace la Suzuki tsewa di namya ani nganzuki themba chi mares ra so di feeling di share di changma la chikpa chikyang yures ra ani kiran ki national pride di ani kiran ki ta powa kesa di kiran ki historical places hiwa ni pan yong sike re ra ani kiran ki ani yana ani kiran ki Suzuki rich culture nganzuki laidwa Suzuki language culture kiran ki history 다 진짜 상막이 통해 수수기 뽑아게 인기를 와 다른기 건지디 간디콜이 라나니 네팔리까지 네팔까지 콜레로 아니 루트 넘버 2 상마토나 야부테네 시로 치란 쉐이 안 당보디 강차게 나는 national flag 라라 national flag 라는 먼저기 탈자 레도 so 탈자 라도 갑슬라 탈자 레도 다 수수기 먼저기 베게시나 Like the national song, every country has its own national flag. The national flag represents the nations. National flag represents the nations. National flag di kहाँ represents chilana Suzuki lumba di represents chireswa. So the upper layer triangles kira githong de upper triangles chidwa chupshi front kajidila kहाँ dula moon yureswa moon ki shape la dua ani lower la khandu la na ani sun yures run digi khan la re sun di khan la we na na do meaning do di khan la na the sun and the moon is that Nepal will exist as long as the sun and the moon remains in the universe nanzuki universe na la jumbling na lo la ni kala moon tang nanzuki sun the moon yurwa the dim mala samla do the mala lana the maya samado ani nanzuki the yana diminish maja samla ani nanzuki sun the moon di ani kare tede samla ani nanzuki Nepal di kala di exist cha thigi res yana Nepal di nanzuki lucky mare la the Nepal lumba di So next tiltana ani kiranki national flag di nganzuki khang represent do chi lana do an Suzuki history do dang ani kiranki cultures cha ani religions jo nganzuki reflect chi res ra the red color represent kiranki thongi do the crimson colors to are the red crimson color di right crimson color di khang represent chi lana it represents Nepalese courage and blue color is meant for peace and loving nature of the Nepalese. So, di khang chingit lana courage lai do ngaji ki bravery dang logo lai do ani blue di khang lai lana peace loving nature lai do ngaji ki chamalani shide yugyo dang ani loving nature chamalai care che yugyo ki features tingi dos ra So next one is a national song. Keransu ki national song be mazu ki kare sishipende yuwa ndi lama nangshingi ani nebli nanglo layang mazu sayo tunga yuwa. So digi kodla re ruwa. And kerans every country has its own national song. The national songs makes the citizen feel proud and responsible towards their country. It gives the feelings of self-respect and identity of the country. So national song Lumba Susu Suzuki and Kurangi national song di Yungi Res Ra Suzuki Manzuki Papa Nangolina and Nanzuki Tibetan Sinzung Nazuki Count Dugilan and Nanzuki Siship and the Dungi restaurant, the Nangshingi Nepali Tawina, Sayatunga Dungi restaurant. So Manzuki Siship and the Dochi Dundu Kapslani, Kiransuki, Tora did that and the Kiransuki in the Stana Kazanagi Tas research Nana, the Tundung Dochi, Nagi Pudens, the Kitchen or Timba. And could you get this Chikan feedback? Lauriki, the Kusuki response down, and a reaction dowdy. Mixing in the Nike Kalore. Hang song, the Thomas Sora. And young like answer the number this low Kemba or Chana and cranky, feeling the changes chow you kid. I'm sure the chucky rates Hamala. And Koransula in the current national song Mazuki, the Sishipended or own Chidu Kapslan, Kiransuki morning assembly Lamazugita, Dungira. Kiransuki feeling doji, lean in the lamba, Dundu Kapsla. This super samala goosebump don't leave in the land kid or teen that then the blood chung done upon secretary. And the leave me do last cancer and I habitual channel in a candy in a house rather than a door in the Suzuki national song door, Lena that the goosebump door lead the Kiransu in a young number load or Lena door. In certain age, they can reach to Kapslan, Kiran Labani, any and the feeling the leader Suzuki per quarter down any. Suzuki Lumba line in the Che Lanin and Swatang and Suzuki national song they play Chidu Kapslan Kiranki Supulena young and it is goosebump door lead that some lead in the house not in the experience so whenever the national song plays people feel very proud Nilasa and proud feel to Suzuki Poa Kiki Tang, Suzuki, Lumba Chitlan, Suzuki, Legat, the Chikwai, the Kishimbudo, Tong, in the Dotora, and the lead Estra. It also gives the feeling of self respect and identity of the country. Oh, not the kind of not Poba Yinda Lashtua, that is sort of lead Ostra. So it same goes to Nepali students in Arandua. The Suzuki, Sayo Tunga, Fulka Hamil, and Tandu Cups like Kiransolina, and Kiranki feelings the Kirando. Into the goosebump door and the leave keep married run can lotus certain age the hitch to capsula rich to capsula can the feeling the lead area and can so in a so lumba kitchen let that down like a chair in the kitchen but the national song is sung at the beginning of the celebration of the national days national festival any formal programs of honor games and sports can so Spain Reki Brazil Rajik Latamaji Olympic do the Olympic Nzukiran Suki Momatan Kirera and Stamina Mina Elanda in the shade on here the Brazilian shade type to Suzuki Lumba Hajila honor the like game do in the Chatu Kapsla do the Olympic land the game paid Kron Ki Kala or the Kishimbu or Shakira the Olympic the Loshishi Nalani game the start or cheated Rago Zukire the Tari Loshi the Taring let's say I did a next in Japan do ended the rotation was cheated so Mazumonish the 2020 the Olympic the Monishinata Japan la Monish the Dushimba Monish start sugar the Chucky Rata the ding on the Toyin name the Chatu Kapslani the cancel Chico to Rata COVID-19 hit Chidu Kapsla Ani kare the cancel chico to the Gansuki Tandagaji the Olympic the so Olympic Tolina and Susu Lumbaki represent Chitu Kapslan Suzuki Kalorani national song the play Chigi race ra and the Chipo Mevan Suzuki she Tavet or Tangani Taptun Zuchi race ra Shakira Gomama she George Tavi some stuff the Lolo Shishi Paralani the changes chat here ra. So manji national days de hota and susiki festivals de hota din zula ni susiki national song di play is. When the national song is sung, we have to stand up from our seat in a disciplined way to pay respect to the nation. So susiki lungba chitla respect te chitla ni susiki khang chikola na shedi play chidu kapslan kranki respect thone do discipline ki thone mena thas bahas me bache mone kurang ki semshu yoga nang shingi ya puchni lang ne ani susiki shedi nyamdula ani tanga di ki chumbu chake reswa ani ta susu lungba ki chipu me bata kranki ta namo kran so feature la da lotus li tu kaps la namo shula kran so khawa khasali sigire roi india la do sigire kran so ana ari shola do sigire roi ani mi shamba ki lunga shamba ki national song do da ani din zu play shi do kaps la kran ki respect chedi pe ki chimbure roi ani national song la chipu me wani kran religions khang la ina do chulu kai na kran ki so hindu sigire roi da once the novel is that the looked novel in a kashi Hindu area, kashi Buddhist area, the Mangsho into the Buddhist round area. Kirana Muchilo do in and Kiransuki last year made Dosigi Rani Kiransuki Lumba Kanglaoreta, religions law Mambo to Sigre Jen, to Sigre Sikh, to Sigre Christian, to Sigre Ra, the Pemambo to Gire Ra Lumba and Zol, Lumba. Rumba da lumba ibache kirangi religions ti mambo tu kirangi equally kirangi mazi wena mazi lana kirangi injing mi kirangi follow chi ko yo ma ro yana kirangi kala ore respect che di pe ke chimbu chake re ro ta di ki khang shu chi lana kirangi susuki culture kirangi upbringing di yapu duglani dungi res ro so kirangi namu in case the nang kirang feature landed oji certain face oji chana do an kirang ki at samala equally respect che tang ani national song do oji play china ani ngi machine na ya ani at least to other respect to stand up che di ki chumbu chake res so lyricist of the national song kirang ki national song ta khang lore Tigin Chira, the lyrics Tigin di the Kurang Shakires, Ra Pradeep Kumar Rai di Dwa, any Bagul Maila like Res Ra Kurangi, the Mindoti. Pradeep Kumar Rai di Kurang lyricist of the current Nepalese national anthem titled Sayo Thumka Fulka. His writing was selected to be the national anthem of the newly declared Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal in November 30, 2006 out of 1272 nanglo ni chingtong ni kya thunchu thongni nanglo nan kurang ki tigyosh do lyrics di kurang la select cha re ro ni kurang ki thanda ga recently aged ta na ani 47 cha do ro ni nganchu ki di select che thuzu di November 30 2006 la re ro so next data na nganchu ki composer like the music ki main she tangish do composer down lyricist the do chakir lyrics na lo down and lyrics na ngones na nganji thigi lai do so composer the na lo la ni thigi ni pani che ani shetang ki de pan chakir esra so khurang amber gurung re ro amber gurung na spanish ngi ro ani khurang zai thejong thada thejong chisa do ro age ta konglo 478 la ro 78 la ani terong chidu ani kurang kita lega dos chi kana ani music composer tang ani singer tang ani kurang lyricist pani rang de dos ro nationality da ta ani kurang Nepalese che ani kurang ki chadlong chi sa di ani kurang Darjeeling la chakar dos ro ani kurang ki ke shingyo de Nepali language tang ani kurang dos coat of arms na nishan chap ta kirang ki coat of arms de kirang inte tooks to kirang leg side ani ya leg side ki footpath la inde judo cups la kirang ki boomerang ka ji dam ka ji yas de chon kirang ki dinte doshi kana ore boat tap to was no la kirang ki inte ji part inte thongi yukir ro kirang ki part thon tu yana kirang ki khasang manju di last manju ki khang la da fancy fair the marian nganje ki educational fair do ji charwa adi nanglo la nganje ki thama ji pu dun ji ki coat of arms ko la yang love you re ro ntan te na kina choi this chi thong da this chi themba do su ki re. So coat of arms la na it gives the identity to our country. Suzuki Lumbala identity model desh dua the dichaki reswa, and it is used in a government office. The Nepali shung na lo langanzuki stem like dua chap di chaki redwa ni Nepali kaji government office na lo lan the pichutangi reswa. It legalizes the government documents. Legalize lana the legal suki reswa kirang ki the chiga batang ani kirang the kangla the kirang ki company do startup do chigo na kirang ki government like kirang ki kangla gore approved church do kirang ki di jimite acceptance the government la khudu kaps la government ki okay la ne approved church la chap chigo de the sap di chaki re ro coat of arms di chaki re. The new coat of arms was introduced in Nepal on 30th December 2006, which is 15th of Post 2063 BS. It is made to represent all the special features of Nepal. So, 2006 December 30 la ani the new coat of arms the goni introduced chare roa ani the thanda gaji recently ngajo chi kya baina ngagi khala gore net nanglo la thanda di there let this slight think of to this hour do chaki re ro ni kiran su ki khajang ki group chat la ni ku re to nang te na to di khajang ni ki ku sha yu an thanda ki internet la ni thong da ma so ina ya ta di ngoni china Nepal ka ji map ki nang lo la ta di extend do ji chak cha re ro ta di ka ji ina ni kiran su ki khajang ki case di ha ku yu ki re border nang lo la nyok ta dap do chi chung sunga Kalapani dang Lipu Lake che ani Limpia dura lani ta disum di ani manju ki Nepal map na lo ta taksha la ta manju ki at chasa re ro ani ta din sum ki square kilometer do chi kyam na sumgya sumju songa yures ro square kilometer of land is now added to Nepal's land na lo la ani ta taksha res ro ta thanda ka chi Nepal ki land di chi kya na 1,47,516 square kilometer years raw. So manzuki coat of arms like kiranki approach tawa ina do an kiranki there la definitions inji miji khan la gore thanda sangma din nang lo rang remove din nang lo rang explain chi sha re raw. It is made to represent all the special features of Nepal, such as the national flag. National flag, the thongkitwa deladua. National flag, national flowers, de deladua laliguras. National flowers, ani the highest mountain of the world, Sagarmatha deladua. Majuri Nepal ka highest mountain of the world is Sagarmatha che. Ani sheba khangkandu. The three ecological regions of Nepal, such as the mountain che, ani hilly che, mountain che, hilly che, ani tarai dwa dela. So, similarly, to represent the gender equality, there is a picture of a male and a female, shaking hands. So, dik can represent chilana putam pumedila, pume like puta pumudi chipa yilan rwa. Equality treatment chigi la ani dik ko la gender equality ki ko la to res ra ani next they can't do lana the sheaf of a paddy to represent the dua sheaf of the paddy sheaf lana kala gore bundle le dua bundle of the paddy to represent Nepal as an agricultural country. The dela thona janani janma bhumi sta swargadapi Gariyasi lana mother and motherlands are greater than the heaven land. Do I can class full it was jointly designed by Nabindra Man Raj Bandari, Himalaya Gautam, and Sri Krishna Srestagi ani kurang sum gi ani twinin su gyo res ra so kurang su gi thunda de aposh ta wa ina di khadla na national flag chake res ra ngaj lungba ki thalja che national flowers khare lali guras che ani sagarmatha dikhare highest mountain in Nepal ra Nepal ki the highest che ani 3 ecological regions are mountain che hilly che and tarai che ani male and the female shaking hand represents gender equality lana puda pumodi chikpa chika yi che ani a sheaf of paddy lana bundle of the paddy which represents khare Nepal is an agricultural country and Janani Janma Bhumi Swargadasi Kari Asilana mother and motherlands are greater than the heaven. Sorry, the highest mountain of the world the Sagarmatha che next the ani kinatsuki di tunate de kishumbu chakire Navindra Man Raj Bandari che Himalaya Gautam che ani Krishna stressed kurang sumgi thuni ani the design this sugyo re landwa the creativity ligyo di landwa the kinatsuki question chi yukirido the flowers di do maza di thanda di lali kuras chik ni sum shi nga thuk thi ke khuch chungi chosum chipshi dikhai na ne chipshi ni maza ki 14 zones yura ni 14 zones di represent chi res Sagarmatha is the highest peak in the world ra so height dikhazu chakila na 8848 meter ra and it makes the country renowned in the world so feeling ding as a proud chai but Nepal la tunganjula world Sagarmatha yure Sagarmatha la su khala yerla Nepal la yerla do so se ki powa ke cha re ra a height la ji kemne khedong ke kya shibju shapke res ra and some give recognized chakra the renowned chakra res or jamling nalola and so se ki pride feel chakra in the res UNESCO enlisted in a World Heritage Sites now that the World Heritage Sites Zambuli Sangma Kita you such a chick the this Sagarmatha Chakri read Majikiti Nalola UNESCO Kikatu Tauduran 1979 80 Tal res so Lumbini Kachitsi Kavaina Lumbini is the birthplace of a Gautam Buddha ani Gautam Buddha ki ani Anjaki Kesa Saja de Laurata, Kiyudi and Lumbini Chakura. It is located in the Rupandehi district of Nepal, Ki Rupandehi district Navola, Lumbini di Kigi Restra, and in Manches King on the pilgrimage key side Panchaki Restra, pilgrimage Nanjiki, Neko Josadua, and Kiranso Manches maximum Kiranso Neko Ladu Kirera. And Buddhism follow chicken, Samadhi Restra. Gautam Buddha is also called the Light of Asia, Light of Asia race. So UNESCO ki khatu enlisted chilana chiktom kopkya kopju kopti lani Lumbini di World Heritage Sites na wala enlisted race ra. So next one is a Dafe or Lava Forest laidwa. Dafe la nikiran so ki did chiptuk di thongso. So Dafe di khala na Suzuki National Birds chakire ra. It is found in the Himalaya regions of the Nepal and it is very colorful bird. It has 9 colors, so it is also called Naurangi Dafe. So what is Naurangi Dafe lana? Lava forest yana Dafe lana chikpa chikang chake re rani khawa chone ngaji ki Dafe di ni ki lana ani mostly khawa thongi lana dwa ani Himalaya region dwa sa thosa lan jo la thongi res ra. Next, ani last dikhang chake lana Lali Guras chake restra. Lali Guras dikhiran ki hiking down the door na kiran ki thong ki re wa ta ngaji ki kan la gore ta ngedam ki hiking door this sa thombu njola do hilly yang na this Himalaya ka jesa ja njo region njola ni Dafe di ni ki res kiran ki Australian came to ta ani dinzu la du nan kiran chu ki da fe di of course thong ki re ro ani yang na kiran chu sathu ni da manang tang chero tang ani dinzu ki sajat ni sat changbu sajat ni yo ina dinzu la yu ki re ro kiran chu of course thong ki re ro ta da fe di khang cha ki na national flower cha ki re ro ani mi dinzu ki da fe I mean laligurasti sorry laligurasti national flowers cha ki re ani chondo de khande de yo la na it is bright in color. Both the Daffy and Laligulas give identity to our country. So, Daffy and Laligulas in the content or children, Suzuki Lumbalan identity to Stiki Resra, Kawalani Daffy the Laligulas oh Nepal La Shua. The proud feeling the tea is, and they are the pride of our countries. So, Takarang Ra, any love to numbers of some goes away. 제가 아니 뒤와디 고마츠고이나 나 뒤와야나 아니 단단히 얘기듯이 개표디 아니 그냥 저기 고야고 고마츠고이나 아니 말에 뒤와 땅나 뒤를 란 쉬이 아니 도지나